now Vyom to you.
Hmm.
30th December 2024 इसरो का PSLV C60 मिशन
Hmm.
पोएम
Right.
ऑर्बिट में है एंड आई थिंक अब मार्च होते होते वो अपना मिशन जो है ऑफलोड हो रहा है और वो ऑर्बिट से भी धीरे धीरे उतर के आ रहा है एंड हमारा जो प्रपल्शन सिस्टम था
Hmm.
व्योम टू यू उसने सारा वो काम कर दिया है जो
Hmm.
जिसके लिए वो गया था एंड 100% मिशन सक्सेस.
Hmm.
What would you like to tell our audiences about Vyom to you, which is an exclusive and original product by Manastu Space, Space for All Mankind?
Yes. So we got in this journey, as we were after this funding, we got our first customer contract from a DRDO to build this propulsion systems for Indian defense satellite.
Yes.
This was in 2020. That was another big achievement, because first time when a proper customer came on board saying we want this, and that was Indian defense, and nothing gives us more pride than serving the nation directly, serving the Indian defense directly, right? It kinds of gives us that feeling that okay, we are also fighting a war.
Happy conscience. Yeah.
Right. So yeah, we got that. So now one of the milestone was to we wanted to test all the critical technologies first time together in space, so that DRDO gets the confidence that yes, this system is going to work in space.
Yeah.
Right. And that's is common with any industry, when the space industry, any customer, that you have to have something called as flight heritage. Without flight heritage, nobody will make you stand in front of you. Right. So most of the customers, they say okay, kuch fly karo, flight touch karo, ye karo. So then I think in 2023 we decided कि now enough ground पे कर लिया, now let us aim for the stars. Right. कब तक बिल में बैठ के कुछ बनाएंगे, R&D करेंगे,
उड़ान लेते हैं.
अब उड़ाते हैं, बहुत हो गया इससे आगे. So that time the entire team pulled together. We've sent the first proposal to ISRO, and ISRO, as they are famous for, I remember having a call, I think in the around 8 or 9 after work, where 4 or 5 people, scientists on call came. Why do you want to fly this? You can test this on ground. And they had a whole 1 hour interview that why you want to fly this on ground. So after all that interview, everything, they said, yes, this is something innovative, something new, something which is very much required. And then they will many times test you कि भाई मजाक मस्ती में तो नहीं proposal डाला.
So, परख रहे होते हैं.
परख रहे होते हैं, exactly. But already बहुत लोग परख चुके थे, तो पता था you have to stand on our grounds. Then the whole sprint started. It was a 1 year sprint. First the launch was scheduled on August. We were in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So 6-7 months. 6-7 months में assembling everything to make a product, to make something which is flyable, is unheard of in any place, in any startup, in any space industry. Yet. So, and just 6 months back, we got our funding. So, मुझे लगता है हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स को भी इतना उम्मीद नहीं था कि इतनी जल्दी ये लोग
इतना बड़ा चैलेंज लेंगे और एग्जीक्यूट भी करेंगे.
उसको एग्जीक्यूट ही करेंगे. And literally for that 1 year, if you see the overtimes list, लोगों ने
15 16 घंटे रुक के आई थिंक काम किया है.
There were stretches जहाँ पे 48-72 hours stretch में काम किया.
Yeah.
To make that things up. And हमने नहीं, हमारे vendors ने भी,
और हर डिपार्टमेंट ने भी.
हर डिपार्टमेंट ने. So this was one thing which we took up, कि we will not just make things in-house. We also started developing some very good vendors who were working with nuclear industry, some other industry, and उनको पता नहीं था, they didn't have exposure to ski space में कुछ कर सकते. But the same things which they were building for others automobiles can be adapted with appropriate quality standards for space. So वो मोटिवेशन जाके पिच करना उनको. एक हो गया इन्वेस्टर पिच, हो गया एम्प्लॉय पिच, वेंडर्स को भी जाके पिच करना कि यू शुड कम इनटू दिस फील्ड बिकॉज इफ यू किल दीज आर द रिटर्न्स यू विल. So we went to some of these. पूरे थ्रस्टर टेक्नोलॉजी में there are 3-4 very critical things. So for that, if we buy from outside, the cost of some of those components was like 50 lakhs one component. Development time 10 months, 12 months. We worked with some of these indigenous vendors. Now we make it at 2 lakh rupees in 1 month time.
इतना cost reduction किया.
इतना cost reduction किया indigenize करके. So this was the beauty what we saw inside the country, that MSME का जो strength है ना, MSME is the strength of our economy. Now somebody just needs to work with them to show them a vision कि
whatever किस तरीके से.
Yes, for this. So that is what we did. Because we know कि सब कुछ खर्च से बनाना is not possible. सब खुद से बनाएंगे तो will not end up anywhere. So they also worked hard, we also worked hard. Then I think in December we got an opportunity again. In 2017 I went to Sriharikota to place a satellite. This time I got an opportunity to place our propulsion system on a rocket. For me, it was second time, so I was okay, ठीक है. But my other team members, they were very excited to see the whole rocket first time. And these are people who are coming from second tier college, third tier college.
Some of them are interns.
Some interns. So
Yeah.
the first time they saw, and they were like, what my feeling was 6 years ago, the same feelings I was able to give. So this is what service means to me. So if somebody says कि मनस्तु में end goal क्या है, मैं तो end goal जी रहा हूँ. You know, I'm seeing people grow every day, and I'm seeing people
being happy for the work
being
that they're
happy for
doing.
the work they are doing. Right.
I mean, that feeling when that
Yes.
rocket just goes up and you see
Yes.
that.
And then on 31st December, ISRO first tested the system when their main payloads were on. They switched on our propulsion system and maneuvered their upper stage. When we first saw, and for that 30 seconds, everything freezed. That yes, the system is working. उसका भी बहुत सारा internal story है that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we have lacked.
So basically, to cut things short, I think it tilted a 1 ton body
Yes.
by 1 Newton thrust.
Yes.
And with some angular velocity.
With some angular velocity, yeah.
All right.